Hey Lucy, this is Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up so that we can go over your online presence. Going through your website here, this chat button is good to have. I would recommend like a call now, kind of like this, but where people can start calling you. That helps with your conversions, or a form as well. One thing that I'd recommend for this homepage here is having more content. The reason you want more content is Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're looking through all of this content, seeing what keywords are in that content. You want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And let's take a look at a keyword. Foundation Repair San Antonio is an example of a keyword, and when people search this in Google, the first thing that's popping up are some ads here. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be in the top 3 because they get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses here is you'd have a Google business profile that has more citations than these businesses. And what a citation is it's your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. You also want to have a good amount of reviews and photos as well to be ranking here. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing here, and so this is where your website would be ranking. And let's see if you're on this page here. And 90% of people stay on this first page here. They don't go past this first page. So you want to be on this first page as high up as possible to get the most amount of traffic, so that you can get a lot of that 60 to 70% that goes into this section. Let's take a look at the #1 ranking website here. So I have Baird pulled up, and they have some good call to actions here as well that helps with those conversions. It looks like it'd be really easy for you all to beat them out with the content portion, but let's compare the back end of each website. I have Baird plugged in here first into Ahrefs, and so we're going to look at some ratings that are taken from the Google data. UR and DR, so these ratings here are for the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 34 and 18, and these ratings are coming from the backlinks that they have. So they have 3.65 thousand backlinks coming from 346 referring domains. And what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one, and so it is like a shout out. Something worth mentioning is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to have good quality backlinks to boost these numbers. There are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. And Baird, they have 2.4 thousand keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. I have your URL plugged in here. The UR and the DR, you will have 2 and 0.2 coming from 6 backlinks, from 6 referring domains, and you all have 18 keywords on your website. And so I would recommend getting more high quality backlinks so that you can boost these numbers. You want to have these numbers higher than your competitors so that you are ranking higher up on Google for the keywords that you're wanting. Also adding more buyer intent keywords to your website so that Google knows to link you when people are searching for it. And one way that you can get more good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. And so you would go into Baird's backlinks here, and then you would take those backlinks and link them to your website as well. And so if it is working for them, it would work for you as well. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords on their website. Foundation Repair San Antonio, 2.5 thousand people are searching for this every single month. driveway repair, 100. Corpus Christi Foundation Repair, 350. 150. 100. And so this list just keeps going. 200. 350. And so there are a ton, and as you can see, there are many pages here. So there are a ton of buyer intent keywords with a lot of people searching for the services that you provide in the areas that you service. And so in order to get some of that traffic for yourself, you'd want to make sure you have a Google business profile that is ranking. So you want to make sure you're adding more citations there. And then have your website with more content and have keywords embedded throughout. And then you want to start having some backlinks to your website so that your website has more authority and trustworthiness. And so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope it was helpful for you all. Thank you.